Unit 45. It is said that he is said to. He is supposed to. A. Study this example situation. George is very old. Nobody knows exactly how old he is, but it is said that he is 180 years old, or he is said to be 108 years old. Both these sentences mean people say that he is 108 years old. You can use these structures with a number of other verbs, especially alleged, believed, considered, expected, known, reported, thought, understood. Compare the two structures. Kathy loves running. It is said that she runs 10 miles a day, or she is said to run 10 miles a day. The police are looking for a missing boy. It is believed that the boy is wearing a white sweater and blue jeans, or the boy is believed to be wearing a white sweater and blue jeans. The strike started 3 weeks ago. It is expected that the strike will end soon. The strike is expected to end soon. A friend of mine has been arrested. It is alleged that he hit a policeman, or he is alleged to have hit a policeman. The two houses belong to the same family. It is said that there is a secret tunnel between them, or there is said to be a secret tunnel between them. These structures are often used in news reports. For example, in a report about an accident, it is reported that 2 people were injured in the explosion, or 2 people are reported to have been injured in the explosion. B. Supposed to. Sometimes it is supposed to. It is said to. I want to see that film. It is supposed to be good. It is said to be good. Fireworks are supposed to have been invented in China. Is it true? But sometimes supposed to has different meaning. We use supposed to say what is intended, arranged, or expected. Often this is different from the real situation. The plan is supposed to be a secret, but everybody seems to know about it. The plan is intended to be a secret. What are you doing at work? You are supposed to be on holiday. You arranged to be on holiday. Our guests were supposed to come at 7:30, but they were late. Jane was supposed to phone me last night, but she didn't. I'd better hurry. I am supposed to be meeting Chris in 10 minutes. You are not supposed to do something. It is not allowed or advisable. You are not supposed to park your car here. It is private parking only. Jeff is much better after his illness, but he is still not supposed to do any heavy work. Unit 45. Exercises 45.1. Write these sentences in another way, beginning as shown. Use the underlined word each time. 1. It is expected that the strike will end soon. The strike is expected to end soon. 2. It is expected that the weather will be good tomorrow. The weather is 3. It is believed that a thief got it through a window in the roof. The thief 4. It is reported that many people are homeless after the floods. Many people 5. It is thought that the prisoner escaped by climbing over a wall. The prisoner 6. It is alleged that the man was driving at 110 miles an hour. The man 7. It is reported that the building has been badly damaged by the fire. The building 8. It is said that the company is losing a lot of money. The company B. It is believed that the company lost a lot of money last year. The company C. It is expected that the company will make a loss this year. The company 45.2. There are a lot of rumors about Alan. Here are some of the things people say about him. 1. Alan speaks 10 languages. 2. He knows a lot of famous people. 3. He is very rich. 4. He has 12 children. 5. He was an actor when he was young. Nobody is sure whether these things are true. Write sentences about Alan using supposed to. 1. Alan is supposed to speak 10 languages. 2. He. 3, 4, 5. 45.3. Complete the sentences using supposed to be the following. On a diet. Flour. My friend. A joke. A secret. Working. 1. How is it that everybody seems to know about the plan? It is supposed to be a secret. 2. You shouldn't criticize me all the time, you. 3. I shouldn't be eating this cake, really. 4. I'm sorry for what I said. I was trying to be funny. 5. What is this drawing? Is it a tree? Or maybe it 6. You shouldn't be reading the paper now, you. 45.4. Write sentences with supposed to the following verbs. Belong, depart, park, phone, start. Use the negative not supposed to where necessary. 1. You are not supposed to park here. It is private parking only. 2. We work at 8:15, but we rarely do anything before 8:30. 3. Oh, I had one last night, but I completely forgot. 4. The door is a fire exit. You eat. 5. My flight at 11:30, but it was an hour late.